that note, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Miss Universe Philippines Board of Directors, starting off with the President and CEO, Jonas A. Gafford. Executive Vice President, Voltaire Taya. National Director, Ariela Arima. Vice President for Global and National Search, Max Hue.
Where's Miss Max?
Director for Local and Asia Pacific Search, Arnold Mercado. MEPH Officer, Shamsi Suksuk Lee. And we also have here the representative of Miss Universe Organization, Mario Garcia. And today we gather not only to honor a crown, but also to celebrate a woman whose grace, authenticity, and determination has captured the hearts of the Filipinos. But before we welcome our queen to the stage, let us first relive the incredible moments that led her to her triumph. Let us all watch this. What an extraordinary journey indeed. From every walk, every answer, and every moment on stage, they reminded us what it really means to lead with confidence and courage. And now, it is my absolute honor to welcome the woman of the hour, our Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Bea Milian Windorski. Once again, congratulations on your victory. It has been a week since the coronation, so I want to know, how has life been for you?
It's still really surreal being able to call myself Miss Universe Philippines 2026 and to have the opportunity to disseminate my message, disseminate my advocacies has been really the privilege of a lifetime. And I would actually say the biggest change is not being able to see my sister queens every single day. For the past 3 months, we've spent up to 12 hours a day together. So I really, really miss them, and I'm so excited to be reunited with some of my sisters from the top 7 earlier.
You know, Bea, I've seen you everywhere this week on media. How has life been for you as Miss Universe Philippines 2026, going around different media outlets?
The biggest privilege of this platform is that you really have the opportunity to push for change. And through this media tour, I've been able to communicate to the entire Philippines and the entire universe that I intend to use this platform as a public servant to promote the rights and dignity of our overseas Filipino workers, to push for the SOGI bill and ensure that our trans brothers and sisters have proper documentation, and also to protect our environment.
Wow, Bea, we're really looking forward to your reign. So I want to know, how do you want to be remembered as Miss Universe Philippines 2026, since you've been talking about your advocacies?
I want to be remembered first and foremost for my authenticity. Being able to spend this past week also with my mom is a good reminder of where this advocacy-driven spirit came from. It's the fact that my mom and my dad always made sure I was socially aware, that I really believed in helping the underserved. So I hope throughout my reign you can see that I live my advocacies fully and that I hope to use this crown for change and for progress.
Wow, a queen with purpose and for progress. Let's all give a hand for Bea.